Business summary block module of hybrid MLM. Business summary block modules include the information of the overall commission earned and is displayed with a graphical representation in the dashboard once we install this. So first we need to install this module. Let's install by going to settings and selecting the module option. After selecting the module option, from the module pool, go to the layout. From the layout menu, you can able to see the business summary block module here. Simply click the activate button. This module will get activated. As I already told, the business summary block details can be seen in the dashboard. For this, let's go to the dashboard. After going to the dashboard, you can able to see the business summary option here. Okay, simply click the business summary option here. Here you can able to see the business summary block. It's given as a block of details. That you can able to see the business summary block, and that includes total sales amount, total commission distributed, and total payout option, holding users wallet details, and total users. All these details are given in this business summary block. The main use of this module is that business summary block helps to get the overall information easier. Okay, this is only for the admin side. This is a simple module that introduced by hybrid MLM.